It is French hour. Today we are going to talk about nouns, and it is your teacher Rachel who is going to take you through today's lesson. Today we are going to look at the nouns and articles. Like in English, nouns in French may be singular or plural. However, unlike in English, French nouns have genders. It can be either masculine or feminine. So the easiest way of determining the gender of the noun is to learn the noun along with its corresponding definite article. So we are going to first go to definite articles. A definite article is specific. It defines the number and gender of the noun it corresponds to. So in English, we only use the. Whereas in French, there are 4 of them. There is la, lo, and L apostrophe, which is for singular, and le for plural. We have to note, please, that lo or la change to L apostrophe before a noun beginning of a vowel, or an H in French is ash, because ash is silent in French. So we have to use L apostrophe. Examples: le livre, and plural, les livres. L'homme, les hommes. In feminine, la chaise, les chaises. L'ami, les amis. Plural formation of French, as in English, the plural is generally formed by adding an S to the end of the singular form of the noun. But note, however, that the S is not pronounced. Yes, in spoken language, it is only the article which will only indicate that a noun is singular or plural. And generally, we add an S to the end of the word. For example, la chaise, les chaises. But nouns which end with S, X, or Z do not change in the plural. No, they do not change. For example, la souris will remain les souris. And nouns ending in al, L, or O in the singular end in O, or I should say AUX in the plural. For example, l'animal, les animaux. And nouns ending in E, O, OU in the singular, we add X in the plural. For example, le bijou, it becomes les bijoux. Le gâteau, it becomes le gâteau. So you have to keep in mind there are exceptions, that not all nouns follow the rules above, but in most cases it is that. The second type of articles in French are indefinite articles. They correspond to the English a or an in singular and some in plural. Just like the definite article, the indefinite article has different forms of masculine, feminine, and plural. For indefinite articles, in singular it's un, in feminine it's une, and in plural it becomes de. Don't forget that write the plural form of most singular nouns. Just like with definite articles, you add an S to the end of the word. Une table, des tables. Yes. Un livre, des livres. Un crayon, des crayons. Un étudiant, des étudiants. Une étudiante, des étudiantes. So that is all for today. I wish you a very nice time. I was so happy to have you, and I wish you a very nice time. Stay safe. I just wish you well in your journey of learning French. Wish you a nice time. Bye bye.